Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't seem like the actual like taxation on your pay stub changes. Yeah, honestly, the first 40 hours should be taxed. Anything after that, no tax. That's what it should be, right? Like, that's what it should be. I guess they're not doing that. But what it looks like they are doing is just saying whatever you made in overtime, you just get deducted at the end of the year. So it kind of like balances itself out. If I remember correctly, if you itemize deductions, like it doesn't make sense. We are already getting screwed and they want to screw us even more. That's the government in general, dude. That's the government in general. I believe, don't quote me on this, I believe the way it works for deductions, as long as you're itemizing, is you can basically subtract the Fed taxes you've already paid. Like the way like the amount of taxes you have to pay is based on the income you made in that year, and then you can start your deductions. So like federal taxes, I believe, are subtracted off of that because that would mean you're basically like double paying. You used to be able to subtract SALTs. I think those were eliminated with the new tax code. You also deduct donations, medical expenses. Oh no, yeah, you cannot live at minimum wage anymore. Like that is straight up impossible. I'm not sure if mortgage payments are deductible. I think they are if you have like a business you're running out of your house, but you can only deduct like a portion of that. So like you can do like mortgage, but only as a percent. Like you can't like write off your entire house. But yeah, so what it looks like is this no overtime tax deal. Like you now can deduct OT and tips. It's an interesting way that they are going about this. This is honestly probably the easiest way to update the tax code than having to like dip in and say, okay, at this level, if you're making this much, you get taxed this much, right? Because like the whole way people are taxed are based on like income brackets. U.S. tax brackets. Turn the U.S. tax brackets into a table. There's different tiers as well. Are you single, which is me? Are you married and filing together? Are you married but you're filing separately? And are you the head of your household? I'm single, so everything up to $11,600 is taxed at 10%. From $11,601 to $47,150, it's now taxed at 12%. From $47,150 to $105,25 is taxed at 22%. I fit in this. I make between $47,151 and $105,25 a year. So that means this money is taxed at this percent. This money is taxed at this percent. And this money is taxed at this percent. Yeah, single is more effed.